Monday, very early. We've just dropped the kids to school and we are heading to an event this morning, but we have got a jam-packed week.
And we're going to take you with us. We thought we'd do a bit of a kind of show and tell this week, right? And take you on some of the things we're doing, some of the people we're seeing, and just take you along, obviously showing you guys what we're wearing to do this. So Monday morning, we are off to a breakfast with Erica Davies and her Bobbi Brown collaboration for International Women's Day. And we love Erica, and yeah, we're super excited, aren't we?
And the whole collaboration is also with SmartWorks, which is a charity that means so much to us. We work and collaborate with them for what the brand, any help and donations and support and awareness that we can do is very important to us. It's the most incredible charity. We will link them below.
So many people.
We are about 10 minutes late for the event, so we're going to go in now and then we will log back on when we get to the office.
Bye. Back to the office to go live for a business chat with Nikki on the brand, where we're sharing all our insights on starting a brand, answering all your questions on basically our day-to-day, really, on how we run the brand, how everything works, and we've had some amazing questions, so I'm really looking forward to that.
So everyone, thank you so much for all of you that are joining us. This is amazing. We're way on different bodies.
And also that's how it gets out there to different people, because obviously we have our own audience, and these other amazing, inspiring influencers, they have their own audience, and it's just the power of kind of connecting with all different people.
Morning everyone. Morning. It is Tuesday. Yesterday was a bit of a chaotic day.
And we forgot to film the rest of the day, but
we did film a little bit of our live for International Women's Day that we did with our co-founder Nikki, so you did see a little bit of that, but the plan was to
take you on our day with us.
Yes, which we're going to be better at today.
We're going to be better today. So we're in Selfridges right now. We've got a meeting and we're doing some shooting. So we're having a quick coffee and
then head back to the office.
Head back to the office. We've got meetings with our design team, and what else are we doing? Getting ready for International Women's Day, which is tomorrow. We've got a really exciting event.
So yes, today is going to be jam-packed. We will definitely take you along for more than we did yesterday. We just stopped to get a quick coffee and need to show you. We walked past, but we're going to have to go back. The most unbelievable bakery section in Selfridges.
Oh my god!
I don't know how
buns.
We haven't.
It was called House of Sim, and they had cinnamon buns with like Oreo melting on top and like chocolate coming out of, and they looked literally phenomenal.
We're going to take you back now.
Oh my god, I just need to point out that is a cinnamon bun. I've never in my life.
Cookies and cream. That looks epic.
And even like salted caramel. I mean, what on earth?
This is heaven.
Speculoos brownie.
Guys, if you're in Selfridges, you need to go to this section because it is epic. Look at them. So we are hosting an event tomorrow, and Sarah didn't have an outfit, so she's trying on this epic dress from Aj.
This dress is
literally
stunning. The best dress I've ever known.
Absolutely love it. Now my outfit is so mega boring.
Incredible white, elegant jumpsuit.
I love that on you. That is such a you dress. That is epic. So now you don't have to worry that you don't have an outfit for our event. So we just tried on these sets from Frankie's shop. We have a few events coming up, so we just thought we needed to get some nice zhuzhy pieces.
And we never come to the shops to try stuff on, and it's always good to kind of touch and see and feel. So we want to check out Frankie's shop in Selfridges.
Love these colours.
Loving these.
So it's a waistcoat and kind of like cargo loose trouser.
Khaki. I've actually got the waistcoat as well, but this is their new colourways, and absolutely love the vibe.
Just arrived on a shoot. We are shooting some content for Barber today, which is very exciting for us.
And the raid's holding off, which is even more exciting for us.
Very leaky eye, as you can see. It's freezing, but we're grateful that the rain has stopped. So we're going to quickly just shoot these outfits.
Good morning. I just got to the office. I'm waiting in reception. It's Wednesday today. It's International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day. We are hosting an event with Nooks. So as you can see, I've got no makeup. I've got wet hair because we have got an amazing team coming to beautify us for the event, which is really exciting. We never get our hair and makeup done. It's really rare, but today felt like a really special day. We've got a new frock, a new outfit to wear, and yeah, we're using lots of amazing products which we're going to share. So I just want to say happy Wednesday and happy International Women's Day.
We've just arrived at our event.
Hair and makeup done.
Thank you,
We looked
Shimmer
a
and Amber.
We looked a damn lot better than we did when we walked into the office this morning. Got our frocks and our jumpsuits on. We're excited.
We're waiting for everyone to arrive. Just look how pretty the table is.
So cute. We have not done an event like this.
I don't think we've ever hosted
with
an
lockdown
event.
and just the world has changed. It's really fun for us to get together with some of our absolute favourites and celebrate International Women's Day and a brand, Nooks, that we love. You guys know we love it, and we're so thrilled to be here.
Just want to show you the collection.
This is their Very Rose collection and Floral collection, some of their absolute favourites, some products that we've spoken about before.
We will make sure we record what goes on, the yummy food, everyone that comes, and yeah, we're
Check
really
in soon.
excited.
Our outfits today. I bought this yesterday because that's how we roll. This is our dress
And it's gorgeous.
It's very, very tight and with old Bottegas, which are actually surprisingly very, very comfy. And my wife over here.
We are literally getting married today.
I like it.
I am wearing very simple, very minimal jumpsuit from Saloni that I saw on Matches, half the price. So I bagged it, got it altered a little bit, but yeah, this is our look.
Women for our beautiful Grace. She is so chic. Grace, tell us what you're wearing.
I'm wearing what the brand.
Oh yeah.
Looking
Oh, yeah.
so good.
I love it on you.
Love you.
Love you.
Ultimately, thank you so much for everyone that is here, make effort to come and celebrate this day. It's such an important day, powerful day to us. I'm sure it is to all of you. So we are just very grateful that you are here and enjoying it with us.
And for everyone that came out in the rain as well, we really do appreciate it. And we're so thrilled to be here today with Nooks, a brand that we've loved and loved for so long, so many hero products that we use all the time and that make the best gifts ahead of Mother's Day. So thank you for coming and Nooks for having us as well.
For me personally, there is nothing better than having that 5-second, couple of minute time to yourself where you spritz your body oil on and you just feel like you've got your life together. Especially most of us, crazy, hectic, busy lives. It's just so important to have that little time to yourself. So we are very excited to be celebrating all of those feels together.
And we're sharing with you and celebrating today the Very Rose and Floral collection. My favourite from there is their lip balm. I've got one in my car, haven't I? On my desk, in my bag. It's so moisturising, especially during the winter months.
So guys, enjoy your lunch. Again, we are so grateful that you came. Thanks.
And one final thing,
Yes.
Nooks on behalf of us have made a donation to SmartWorks, which is a charity, everyone here today, which is a charity really close to our hearts. They help women get back into the workforce, they give them clothes, they give them mentoring to help achieve their goals. So we're so proud you guys have done that. It's a charity so close to our hearts, so thank you for that. And enjoy everyone, eat and drink. I can't do that. The girl version.
just left the event back in our trackies.
Very tired.
Got our comfies on in the car. Weather is
rain.
hideous. Grace has gone to get some snacks for us. We are now going to the podcast studio.
And we're going to fuel up on the way with some chocolate.
We
Grace,
haven't
well
done
done.
enough today.
Grace,
Let's go
well done.
chat for an hour.
Grace. Thanks.
Grace, what did you think of the event?
It was so good. Grace got to meet everyone, which was so lovely.
It was so lovely. It was really nice. Really, really nice to do something special, have yummy food,
But not
see
enough
all
of
of our
it.
lovely friends and catch up. And everyone was just so lovely and
It was
supportive.
just so nice to kind of, I feel like we haven't done an event like that in so long. And actually, just to be in a space with really inspiring women, especially on International Women's Day, it was great.
Now, see you
On the other side.
in the podcast studio.